How to loop video in CapCut. First, open up CapCut, and once you're in CapCut, what you have to do is just basically select the video. So I've already selected the video and here it is. What you have to do is just basically tap on the video on the editing section. Once you press on it, it will show these blue underlines right next to your video. But on the downside, you will be able to see many options just like split, speed, animations, and many more. But you just gotta scroll through these until you find the option of duplicate. So here, as you can see, we have the option of duplicate. So the video is almost for like 13.8 seconds, but if I press duplicate, I get to see another video. So like if a video ends right over here, it starts again. So I'm just gonna do the process again and again and again until it's pretty much looped. Just press duplicate, 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 duplicate. And you could just do this basically as many as time you can want. You could go up to like 1 hour or 2, but like you could just basically press. Here, as you can see, the video's gone through like for 8 minutes. And you could actually watch the video for like 8 minutes and it's actually looped. So here, as you can see, if I go like this, it's a looped video. So yeah, this is it on how you can loop video in CapCut. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and goodbye.